Hello everyone, so today it's July 23, 2023, and I just started today my new series of paintings that will be a triptych, so one painting in the middle and two side by sides, smaller, but that will be complete. Okay, why I do that? Because I want you to follow the different steps of one painting. Why? Because you will know how much a painting can cost at the end, how much effort, how much time an artist, at least myself, spend doing art and painting something. So next time don't ask me too much about discounts. That's the purpose. And if you have some idea about how much that painting should be sold, please, I will be very happy to have your advice on that. So follow me, give me your advice about price, about techniques, and also about feeling. Okay, if you like it or not, that's okay. So till the next video, those things will be more advanced. Follow me, and thanks for the people who helps me by Patreon or Tipeee. And like me, never give up in whatever you do. That is very good. You don't have to. It's very healthy. So never give up. Follow me. See you soon.